Today we'll be discussing on the topic stop waiting for one viral video or more as a small YouTube channel. Just populate instead. Yes, I have thought about this topic for a long time, and today I feel is something nice we discuss because you see a lot of beginners and small channels are waiting for that moment when their video will go viral without knowing the reality of viral video, what harm it can cause to your channel or to your personality, and how it can even make you to stop creating totally. Yes, there are a lot of stories and there are a lot of experiences because you see, as a beginner or as a small channel, you want to hit it fast, right? It's good if you hit it fast. But the question is this: what happens after that? But before then, before we go into that, let's just talk about the good side of a video going viral on your channel. One is that once a video on your channel go viral, it's going to get you large views to your channel. All right, so it's going to give you a lot of views. So when people check the statistics of your channel, they will see, this channel has gotten over 500,000 views so far, and with that they can rate your channel high. That's the number one good side of it. Number two is that viral videos usually bring in more subscribers. Maybe your subscriber count was 800 before one of your video went viral. Okay? Once that video goes viral, people are likely to subscribe more to that video because number one, maybe that video contains the information that we are looking at that point in time. So because of that, they will subscribe to your channel as compensation because your video now has reached more wider audience. That's another good side of it. Then, if your channel is monetized, if it is monetized, you can make much more than you used to make. My channel is monetized, so I have experience, okay? It can make much more than the average. It can even make times 10. Take, for example, your monthly average before the viral video is about $80 per month. And you have a video that goes viral to maybe 500K, 500,000. Because of that viral video on that particular month, you are likely to earn up to $1,000 plus. That's the good side, okay? At that moment, you make the money and you smile. But now, let's go to another area, which is the bad side of waiting for your video to go viral. When you wait for a video, for one video on your channel or more to go viral, you see yourself lagging. Instead of creating more videos that will make you more money in future, you are there waiting. Why is this video not going viral? I need one of my videos to go viral to shake the world. You see, it will make you to slow down in your creation, which is not good for your channel. But by the time you not have any viral video, you'll be motivated to create more videos. And let me tell you something some people don't know about this YouTube hustle. A video you create today being August 13, 2024, after the creation of that video today, 2 days after, YouTube may promote that video to more audience. Maybe at the end you have maybe 100 views or 50 views or 20 views and it slows down. That video that slows down today can revive or can blow up again after a year. That's the beauty of YouTube. Those are videos that you feel that not necessarily people don't like them. In time to come, after a year, after 2 years, you see them still getting videos. That's why on this my channel, I have more of how to videos. In fact, 80% of my videos here on this channel are how to videos because how to videos have very long lifespan. In 5 years to come, in 6 years to come, they are still solving problems. People are still searching for them. So instead of you staying down, sitting down to waiting for that viral moment, please produce more. Okay, so viral video will make you not to be productive. Now let's talk about more of the bad side. Number one is that it will make you not to be productive. Number two is that it will make you to earn less money. Waiting for a viral video or depending on one viral video will make you to earn less money. Let me explain. Your video goes viral in a month and it got you 500k views. And maybe from that 500k views, you make $1,500 or $1,000. Now, when you have more videos, that's those videos will make you more money in the long run. Because on average, you may be averaging $300 every month. By the time you goes maybe like 10 months ahead, you will see that you have covered much more than what that viral video you are depending on would have made you. You see the point? So instead of sitting down to waiting for that moment your video will go viral, create more. That's why you say populate. Populate the system. If you have a video of about quality videos of about 300 in 1 year, it's a plus. You may not be seeing the result at that moment, but in time to come, you will see the result. In fact, you will see the money. You'll be like, so this is now turning out to be better for me. So that's why instead of that viral moment you're waiting, that viral video you're waiting for, create more content. There is another bad side of a viral video. That bad side is it can make you to give up on your channel. Yes, it may sound odd to you, but it can make you to give up on your channel. Take for example, you have about 20 videos on your channel, and out of those 20 videos, one went viral and got you 500,000 views within a month. And because of that, you started depending on that viral video. After a month, it phases away because most videos don't stay viral forever. I get it's just within a time frame. The traffic drops. And immediately that traffic drops, what happens? The other videos on your channel are not getting any much views. Maybe in a day, you see yourself getting 300 views, 200 views, 100 views. What happens? You start getting tired. Even when you create more videos, nothing is happening. That will send a signal to you, is this how I'm going to continue? Many people have quitted because of this. They will be like, okay, I'm off. They will abandon their channel. So that's the bad side of waiting for a video to go viral. It can make you depressed. Are you getting it? So instead of that, create more videos. Keep on, populate the system so that even if one goes viral and later dies, those other videos you have in your channel that you are growing gradually, you keep you going. Okay? So please stop waiting for a viral video. Rather, pray for your channel to be viral. Pray for all your videos on your channel to be performing. That will give you more money in the long run than just depending on one or two videos that will go viral or have gone viral on your channel. Instead of waiting for that viral video to happen or depending on the viral video, create a community. Start building more content around your niche. And every time you publish a video, they will keep on watching it. And you know what that means? If you're a monetized channel, it is more money for you in return. So these are my points. Instead of waiting for a viral video, pray for a viral channel and push out more content. I have over 550 videos as at the time of recording this content. And these videos, 90% of them are long forms. They have not grown to their fullness because my channel is less than 2 years old. So time will come, more money will be plenty. I'll have more money to spend. So that's the notion, the idea I want you to have. Populate the system, create more valuable content that people want to know, that people want such things related to it, related to them. That will keep you ongoing. That will make you more money. That will bring you more brand deals in future. And with that, you are good. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas, including how to use different computers, iPhone, Android, YouTube education, and self-publishing. They are all under tech, all right? So when you subscribe to this channel, you will learn one or two things. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, not the one that points down, so that YouTube will know that this content is valuable and recommend it to more people. All right? Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. Do you really agree with me or you have contrary opinion? Let me just hear what you have to say in the comment section. Thank you. To learn more on YouTube education, consider watching this video. See you some other time.